welcome back. I'm with Ani in his GT3 RS. And where are we going? We're going to Chacha, right?
Chacha, yeah.
Chacha Matcha. My last vlog, I think I was with Ani. We went to Chacha too. But
it's like our daily thing, Chacha Matcha.
It's not, our day isn't complete unless we go to Chacha and Kazu, right?
And Kazu, yeah. Kazu and Chacha are like a good thing.
Yeah. If you guys don't know what Kazu is, it's sushi, like sugarfish, but like same owner but different. Hand rolls.
Just hand rolls.
Yeah, hand rolls. Yeah. Alright, well, anyway, see you guys at Chacha. Ani, it's my favorite place.
She's favorite.
Chacha Matcha. Ooh, 488. Car spotting with Gigi and Ani. What'd you get?
I got a matcha water because it's really healthy.
Matcha water? Oh. I got purple drink, as usual. Alright guys, so like I said before, if you have not gone to Chacha Matcha, I suggest it. Get the purple drink. It's lavender, CBD, and your choice of milk with matcha, and it is amazing. 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 Very nice.
Very nice.
Wait, for some reason, Ani really wants to go on a TMZ tour bus.
I would love to go.
Why?
Look at it. Look at the people who are on this bus. It's just so exciting. It's weird.
Ani? Okay. Alright, now we just left Chacha. We're on our way to Grayson's house. He lives in Bel Air. And I don't know what we're about to do. Probably just sit at his house, huh?
Probably, yeah. I have a music final later, so I'm just killing time right now.
Ooh, that sucks. That's rough. Music, what do you even do for a music final? Like,
okay.
What is it? What would that be on?
Guys, I signed up for this class thinking that it would be really easy because I was like, oh, music, like I listen to music, how hard can it be? And I show up at this class and now I'm like almost done with the semester and it's been the hardest class I've ever taken because we have to learn stuff like triads and like chords and stuff.
Why do you need that, Ani?
I don't even know. I don't even play an instrument. Like everyone in my class plays an instrument. I don't play a single instrument. I've never played an instrument.
Oh, Ani, you'll learn one day.
One day.
What's up, guys? Okay, what's up, Grayson?
What's up?
We're at Grayson's house. We were chilling inside, but my car's at Ani, so I'm driving Grayson's GT3 to meet up with Zane. We're about to go eat some udon noodles.
Hell yeah, brother.
This GT3 is so much louder than mine. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you in the car community?
Oh my god, you fucking scared me. Oh my god,
what's up, Zane?
I knew you were gonna scare me. What's up?
Food vlog.
Right?
Food vlog.
Grayson got the Bukkake.
What'd you get?
I got the beef lasagna. I picked it first.
Oh yeah? I got beef first actually because I paid first.
She got the large.
I got the large.
Yeah. Grayson got the Bukkake.
Alright guys, we just left the noodle place. Wait, am I going straight? There's Zane. We just left the noodle place and now we are heading to Ralph's to pick up some marshmallows. We're gonna make some s'mores with Zane's car.
We need to go left.
Was it driving like a grandpa or what?
No.
Right?
Alright, let's get some marshmallows.
It's when I want to.
Is that the case? Oh, okay. So what are we getting?
Let me start my blog and then we'll tell people. Are you down?
Whatever.
You down? We're getting marshmallows and graham crackers because all of you guys have been DMing me like, yo, you should roast some marshmallows on that thing. So we're like, why don't we make some s'mores?
Yeah, we're gonna make a
bukkake.
We're making a bukkake.
Oh, we're making.
What the heck, Grayson? First one to find marshmallows wins.
Okay, first one to find marshmallows doesn't eat it.
Oh my god.
Alright?
Hey,
go.
Do you want?
I feel like they're in that aisle. Go!
Here.
Great! This was my idea!
No. Graham crackers. Graham crackers. Graham crackers.
Oh
no, that's...
You wanna like film that too? Or something like that, or fucking around?
Wheat bins.
I don't see anything.
Guys, where are the graham crackers? Am I like... Where?
What?
This is like, there should be graham crackers in here. They have everything but graham crackers.
Westwood, I was...
Grayson, come here. Grayson, come with me. This way. I can't find graham crackers or marshmallows. What if we find them at the same time?
Yeah, I'll just pick it up.
You stayed in this aisle!
I'm almost done. I already got my graham crackers.
Where?
Huh? They're literally right in front of our faces.
Oh wow, we're dumb. We literally just passed that. Okay, where's the marshmallows?
Eating these. I think he's gonna eat it before us.
We can just make him the guinea pig to eat them. Guys, oh my god. These are my favorite cookies. Zane?
Are they?
Oh my god, have you had these?
No, never.
Have you had these?
No.
What? You've never had these? Have any of you guys had these? Let me know. They're like bomb. They're really good. They're really good. Like I'll eat the whole box.
Are they?
Yeah. Leave it up to me to find Hershey's because those two cannot find anything.
2 points.
I got the chocolate, they got the marshmallows and the graham crackers. Yeah. The box that Grayson bit.
It works. Wait, you need bigger sticks?
Oh, that's true. Okay, I really need longer sticks then. Because my hand will get burned. Do you think this will get really hot? This metal?
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna have the mitt.
Yeah, true. Okay, guys, I'm getting, because Zan's gonna be revving it and I'm gonna be cooking the marshmallows, I'm gonna get a blue mitten so my hand doesn't get burned. What do you guys think of this? Is this a look?
Oh, it matches my car.
Yeah, it matches your car.
Right? So she's gonna be the one holding the sticks.
Yep.
The long sticks. Like a small bar like this. Got it?
Well,
mission accomplished.
Oh yeah.
I am so ready for this.
Where's the... Ah.
There you go.
Aha. That's securing it, throwing it in there.
Huh? I never grabbed the bag. I didn't see it. I went way too early.
For what?
Like the Lamborghini jumbo.
Okay. Alright, so we got everything we needed. Now we are going to pick up my car at my friend's apartment. What?
Are you excited? First time in my car, actually.
First time in your car?
Is it?
No.
Oh yeah, second time.
When it first got here, this is like my second time in your car.
Alright, so we're going to pick up Gigi's car right now.
It sounds so good.
I know.
Alright, just got to Ani's apartment and picking up my car, and then we're gonna go meet up with some people at Grayson's second house, and we are gonna go film. Oh, hello, bae. It's probably gonna be really loud because My car has been sitting all day. Oh god, that scares me. Can I get closer? Oh, nope, it's not gonna happen. Okay, we're gonna squeeze in here. Wow, my car's really dirty. I really need to throw that cup away. It's like really bothering me right now. And there's the squad. For some reason, I have a feeling I'm gonna get a ticket tonight for no plates because earlier a cop was passing Zane's car parked and they're like, oh, check if it has plates, and then they're like, clear. So, knock on wood, hopefully I don't get a ticket for plates. Zane, you want to step closer to the rail for me?
No, I'm good. You want it?
Why not, Zane? Have you seen the engine?
It's fucking dope, right?
Holy shit.
So we just found a spot where we're gonna be risky and do our marshmallow cooking.
Right.
Got the whole gang.
Right? Yeah.
Hey.
I'm trying to take my fire extinguisher out.
Oh, that's a good idea in case the marshmallow catches on fire.
Not marshmallow, the fucking car.
Oh, are you in charge of the?
There's a marshmallow. Take it out. Just because
One.
so long, he's like, you want to eat? We're doing this.
Nah. Yeah, we're just making s'mores right now.
Hungry.
You gotta roll out of it or go? Do one more.
Oh yeah.
Alright, why don't you get him a stick too?
Let's get cooking, Zane.
I'm ready. I'm kind of nervous though.
Seb's got the fire extinguisher. I got marshmallows. He's got marshmallows. You have marshmallows in a bag. You're eating them.
I'm got.
Guys, look at it! Oh, my God. How is it?
Good? Look at me! My best friend owns a Ferrari! Oh, wait. Hey, cut that. Yeah, I got shoes.
How's it taste? So I'm just really curious, like, where are your shoes?
Sponsor me, I get just. So, I'm not quite sure. Okay, I had shoes.
He's from Florida.
Huh? I don't know how I got here. Yeah, we don't have to look at that.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
right
it's
here.
fine. Okay.
TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I do TikTok.
Are you TikTok famous, bro?
How much do you have to be to be TikTok famous?
I don't know. You tell me.
Doesn't have shoes though.
Oh!
I'm down for kids for it.
Dude, that's what I said. That wasn't nice.
There you go. He just looked at me like, what? Sounds like a thunderstorm.
Wait, you live here?
Hey, the driveway's a little full. Are you trying to get in there?
Yeah, I'm trying to go to sleep. It's midnight.
Oh, that's your house.
I don't do shenanigans like you guys at Rodeo at this time, especially on a Monday night. So I'm trying to go in. So if you guys can please move the bulls and whatever else is there.
Yeah, we got you. What's up, guys? I'm in Zane's car. He's driving my car. We are heading to Parker's house. Oh, it sounds so good. Alright guys, we have arrived at Parker's, but we're now all going to bed because we're all super tired. It's like 1:30 in the morning right now. But anyways, hope you guys liked today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.